Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Hair Tinsel Kit is probably one of the most exciting and dazzling ways to add a touch of sparkle and glamour to your hairstyle, offering a fun and temporary way to experiment with bold looks for special occasions, parties, or just to elevate your everyday style with a touch of magic that catches the light with every move you make, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to stand out and express their unique personality through their hair. Number 5. YUUYEE Hair Tinsel Kit. Introducing the YUUYEE Hair Tinsel Kit, your new go-to for adding dazzling color and sparkle to your hair. It's the latest trend for fashion-forward individuals of all ages. With 18 stunning holographic colors, each strand catches the light beautifully. Get ready to receive tons of compliments as your hair shines with amazing new colors. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: thousands of strands, crochet tools, tweezers, microlink beads, and more. It's an incredible value for money. Crafted from premium polyester fiber, these extensions are safe, heat-resistant, and won't fade. You can wash, blow-dry, straighten, and style them as you normally would. Elevate your look for birthdays, parties, festivals, or everyday beauty. These extensions are perfect for Christmas, New Year, and any themed event. Each color is packaged separately for convenience. If you're unsure how to apply them, a quick search on YouTube will show you how easy it is. What we like. This kit offers an incredible amount of strands in a wide variety of colors, plus it's heat resistant. If you're looking for maximum sparkle and versatility for multiple events or to share with friends, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with many looks without running out of material. What people say. It came with everything: the tinsels, the applicator tool, and the links. Everything came together. It arrived on time before my job there, and it was enough to apply on passerby very quickly to gain attention, and to have my message across. After using it in job fair, I had a lot left to apply it on my nieces and a party. And when I applied it on me, I realize it stays for a long time. It is easy to apply, and I can wash my hair and style my hair and it still stays fresh looking brand new. I will recommend this product for its quality and for including every tool you need to attach the tinsel to the hair. Each hair color came in its individual wrap of plastic. Most of all, I like the variety of colors. Good quality hair tinsel. It comes with the installation tools and has many colors. My daughter kept hers in for 3 weeks before we removed them. Super fun and easy to use and take out. Comes with a lot and a variety of colors as shown. Number 4. Boho Braiding Human Hair Extensions. Experience the difference with our premium quality, 100% unprocessed human hair. It's smooth, soft, and designed to be tangle-free for effortless styling and long-lasting wear. Unleash your creativity with endless styling possibilities. This hair is perfect for boho knotless braids, crochet braids, and goddess box braids, allowing you to express your unique style. Find the perfect match for your style with our wide range of popular colors, including solid, balayage, ombre, and highlight effects. We have a shade to suit everyone. Our design features 3 bundles per pack, making it easier to use than traditional 2-bundle packs. Each pack is 110G, and we recommend 2 packs for perfect, full braids. Elevate your look for any event, from festivals to special occasions like dates, travel, or birthdays. These extensions will help you unleash your glamour and become the center of attention. Enjoy your beautiful braids with confidence. Our hair is durable and long-lasting, ensuring you won't have to worry about premature damage or shedding. What we like. Made from premium, unprocessed human hair, this option is designed for durability and natural styling. If you desire braids that look and feel authentic, are easy to manage, and can be styled in various ways like boho or goddess braids, this is your best bet. It's ideal for those who want a long-lasting, high-quality braiding experience. What people say. Easy to install and true to be heat-resistant. The tool is surprisingly sturdy and so easy to use, even for a beginner like me. I added some sparkle to my hair in minutes, and it stayed in really well. Comes with tons of tinsel so you can use it for many occasions for honestly many years. Number 3. Hair Extension Kit with Micro Rings. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools for hair extensions. It includes pliers, a pulling hook, a beading device, and 600 silicone-lined micro rings in various colors. Designed for ease of use, these tools are comfortable to hold and operate. The pliers have a curved head, and the pulling hook features a lightweight wooden handle for a secure grip. You'll receive 600 micro rings in 3 different colors, with 200 of each. The soft silicone lining ensures a comfortable and secure fit when installing them. This kit is perfect for both professional barbershops and DIY hair enthusiasts. It's a great accessory for achieving various hair extension styles. Enjoy a comfortable and anti-slip experience while working with your hair. It's designed to be a reliable helper for all your hair extension needs. Please use these tools with care to avoid any accidental injuries during application or removal. What we like. This package provides all the essential tools and a generous amount of silicone-lined micro rings for easy application and removal. If you're setting up for hair extensions, whether tinsel or feather, and need reliable, comfortable tools, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and barbershops alike who value convenience and a secure hold. What people say. Works great for when I can't get into the salon but have a loose weft. Love the different varieties of color, and both tools help make applying them so easy. The extra tool made it so easy to install the pieces. I used this for a community event where I was putting in hair tinsel for kids. With these I was able to go super fast, and the variety of bead colors made it so easy to hide in their hair. I only had one bead fall out prematurely out of the hundreds I put in. Perfect for hair tinsel, beads and pliers are really nice and work perfectly. Number 2. SparkleStrands 1200 Strand Hair Tinsel Kit. Introducing the SparkleStrands Hair Tinsel Kit, your go-to for adding a touch of magic to your hair. It's the fun and popular choice for 2025. Adding sparkle has never been easier. These tinsel strands are simple to apply, making them perfect for both kids and adults. Get ready to turn heads with their bright, eye-catching shine. Elevate your look for parties, nights out, or any special event. They're also fantastic for adding a unique flair to nail art, bringing a touch of sparkle wherever you go. Enjoy your dazzling new look for weeks, even over a month. These extensions are designed to stay put, so you can wash and dry your hair with confidence without affecting their sparkle. With this kit, you have everything you need to create stunning hairstyles. Make yourself stand out and feel more attractive with these beautiful, shimmering hair extensions. This comprehensive kit includes 1,200 strands of silver tinsel, micro silicone rings, and application tools. You'll have plenty to experiment with and create your desired look. What we like. Get a substantial amount of shimmering tinsel in a popular length, designed to stay in for weeks. If you want a noticeable, long-lasting sparkle for parties or just to add some fun to your everyday look, this is a fantastic option. It's great for anyone who loves to stand out and wants their hair enhancements to endure through washes and styling. What people say. They are so easy to install. The color was beautiful. They held up against the heat of a light curling iron run. They didn't tangle even after days of sleeping in them. These are very long and prismatic. I take 2-3 strands, make a slip knot, take a thin piece of hair wherever you want the tinsel, and you slide the slip knot all the way to your roots, and while keeping it snug and near the root, tie a knot with your hair and the tinsel. Then you're going to do another knot on top of that knot to secure it, and another knot and another knot. These are really fun and easy to install. They have not tangled. They blend right in. They feel like good quality. Number 1. Hair Extension Tool Kit Beige. Introducing our comprehensive hair extension tool kit, designed for effortless application and removal. This set has everything you need to achieve your desired look. Inside, you'll find a plier, a pulling hook, crochet needles, and 200 silicone-lined micro rings. It's a complete solution for all your hair extension needs. The pulling hook and crochet needles make it simple to thread hair through micro-link rings and beads. These tools ensure a smooth and efficient process for extensions or feathers. Our lightweight aluminum micro rings are lined with silicone for a secure hold that won't damage your hair. They provide a comfortable and long-lasting grip. The specially designed plier features multiple teeth for a strong grip, ensuring the micro ring stays in place. It easily opens all sizes of linkies and micro rings for secure attachment. This essential accessory is perfect for both professional salon use and at-home styling. Connect your hair extensions with confidence and enhance your beauty. What we like. This kit includes the core tools and quality silicone-lined rings for secure, comfortable hair extension application. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective set of tools for applying tinsel or feather extensions at home or in a salon, This is a solid choice. It's designed for ease of use and a reliable hold, making the extension process smoother. What people say. Came with all items needed to utilize properly. Durable and easy to use. The tool it comes with to bead it through your hair is so easy to use. The pliers clamp the bead to my hair perfectly. These make putting tinsel in my hair so much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.